strong.
You have tuned your favorite YouTube channel Primary K Punk with Tarkeshwar Pandey. I welcome you all in your favorite YouTube channel. In our today's video, we are going to know about a very interesting topic, and in this video you will know about riddles. Good morning dear students. I hope you all are happy, healthy, fit and fine. Now be ready and know about riddles, and these riddles are very important, interesting and informative. So first of all, I am going to start the first riddle in this list, and in this video you will know about total 10 riddles. So be always with Primary K Punk and know per day some new concepts in this channel. Riddle number 1. Riddle number 1 is on your screen, and this riddle is: a green bird with red beak, me too it speaks. A green bird with red beak, me too it speaks. What is the name of this bird? You have to tell now in the comment box. I hope you know the name of this bird, and you will definitely comment the name of this bird in the comment box. Very good. Many comment has reached to me in the comment box. Now I am going to say the answer of this riddle, and the correct answer of this riddle is parrot. Yes, parrot is the correct answer, because the color of parrot is green, the beak of parrot is red, and it speaks me too. So this is the correct answer of this riddle. Now we are going to know about second riddle. This is riddle number 2. He has no fingers. He has some toes. But oh my goodness, what a big nose. Once again, know about this very interesting and informative riddle. He has no fingers. He has some toes. But oh my goodness, what a big nose. Can you guess the name of this animal? This is the name of an animal, and I hope you know definitely the name of this animal. If you know the name of this animal, then write the name of this animal in the comment box. After that, I will tell the name of this animal. Yes, now know the correct name of this animal. The correct answer of this riddle is elephant. Elephant is the correct answer of this riddle. After that, now know the next riddle, and next riddle is riddle number 3. So now know about riddle number 3. I go up and down a lot, whether it is cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground, other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. I am your friend named Dash. Once again, I am going to repeat this riddle. I go up and down a lot, whether it is cold or hot. Sometimes I am on the ground, other times I am in the clouds. My name rhymes with daughter. I am your friend named Dash. Think the name of this thing. This is very interesting name, and this name rhymes with daughter, and you need per day this thing. Without this you cannot live. So write the name of this thing in the comment box. After that, I am going to tell the name of this thing, and now the name of this thing on your mobile screen also, or your laptop screen also. The correct answer is water. Water is the correct answer of this riddle. I hope you have understood about this riddle completely. Now we are going to know about the next riddle, and our next riddle is riddle number 4. So now look this riddle and know about this Very interesting riddle. I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? I'm tall when I'm young, and I'm short when I'm old. What am I? Do you know the name of this thing? This thing is also very interesting, and I hope you are able to say the name of this thing also. This thing says to us, I am tall when I am young, and I am short when I am old. So what am I? Tell the name of me. If you know, then write the name of this thing in the comment box. Otherwise, I am going to tell the name of this thing. So the correct answer of this thing is candle. Candle is the name of this thing, and the correct answer is candle. Now are you ready to know about the next riddle? Very good. Now I am going to show you the next riddle on your mobile screen, and this riddle is riddle number 5. I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? I shave every day, but my beard stays the same. What am I? Now this interesting riddle is on your screen, and you have to think the name of this person. This person shaves every day, but the beard of this person stays the same. Can you tell the name of this person? So if you know, then tell the name of this person in the comment box. I am going to tell the name of this person, and the correct name of this person is barber. So barber is the correct answer. Barber shaves per day many people, but the beard of barber remains the same. There is no changing in the size of the beard of barber. So this is the correct answer of this riddle. Now know the next riddle, and the next riddle is on your mobile screen or your laptop screen, and this next riddle is riddle number 6. The riddle is here. I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? Once again I am going to repeat this riddle. I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. What am I? Have you confused? No, don't confuse. This is very simple. You can think the name of this thing also. This thing is something confusing, but the answer is very clear, and you all are aware the name of this thing. This thing says, I have branches but no fruit, trunk or leaves. So what am I? Now know the answer of this riddle. If you know the name of this thing, then write the name of this thing in the comment box. Otherwise, I am going to tell the name of this thing. The correct name of this thing is bank. Bank has many branches, but bank has no fruit, no trunk, and no flowers. So the correct answer of this riddle is bank. Okay. Now are you ready to know about the next interesting riddle? Okay, so the next riddle is on your screen. This is riddle number 7. So know about riddle number 7 now. What has lots of eyes but can't see? What has lots of eyes but can't see? Wow, it's also very interesting riddle. And in this riddle, you are looking here. This thing has many eyes, lots of eyes, but this thing can't see. Can you guess the name of this thing? You eat per day this thing at your home, and if you try to say the name, then you can easily say the name, you can easily suggest the name of this thing. If you know the name of this thing, then write the name of this thing in the comment box. If you don't know, then no problem. Be with me, be with Primary K Punk, you will definitely know the answer of this riddle. So without wasting your time, now I am going to tell the answer of this riddle, and the correct answer will be potato. Yes, potato will be the correct answer. Potato has lots of eyes, but it can't see. So the correct answer is potato. After that, we will know about the next riddle, and our next riddle is riddle number 8. Do you know riddle number 8? The riddle number 8 is also on your mobile screen. So now look this riddle. What has many teeth but can't bite? What has many teeth but can't bite? This is also very important and interesting riddle. This thing has many teeth but it can't bite. Can you try to say the name of this thing? If you want to try, then write in the comment box. If your answer will be correct, other than your answer will be incorrect, but you will definitely know the correct answer of this riddle on Primary K Punk. So always be with Primary K Punk and you will definitely know the name and the answer of all riddles. The correct answer of this riddle is comb. Comb has many teeth but it can't bite. So the correct answer is comb. Now know the next riddle, and our next riddle is riddle number 9. And riddle number 9 is now on your screen, and this riddle is what has hands but can't clap? What has hands but can't clap? It means this thing has many hands but it can't clap. Can you think the name of this thing? If you want to try, then write in the comment box. If you know, then write in the comment box. If you want to know, then be with Primary K Punk and know the answer of this thing. What has hands but can't clap? Now the answer is on your screen. So look the answer. The correct answer is clock. Clock is the correct answer. Clock has many hands but it can't clap. So the correct answer is clock. Now, are you ready to know about the last riddle? But before saying the last riddle, now I want to ask a question. How was these all riddles? You have to comment in the comment box. Because if you comment about these riddles, then we will come again in the next video with many riddles like these. Okay, so your comments are very important for us. Come in comment box and write your suggestion. If you like these all riddles, then also like this video. If you dislike these all riddles, then also dislike this video, but do at least one. Okay, so now we are coming on the last riddle. If you want to share these riddles to your friends, then you can also share with your friends. So your friends will also know these riddles and you can play with your friends with these all riddles. They also able to see the answer of your all riddles if you share with your friends. So I hope you will definitely share these all riddles with your all friends. So now know the last riddle, and this last riddle on your mobile screen. This riddle is here. What has one eye but can't see? What has one eye but can't see? This thing has only one eye. It means this thing is one-eyed person or one-eyed thing. But after having one eye, this thing is not able to look, this thing is not able to see, this thing is not able to watch. So can you think the name of this thing? If you know the answer of this thing, then write in the comment box. If you don't know, then no problem. Always be with Primary K Punk. Stay tuned, Primary K Punk. You will definitely know the answer of this riddle. And this is the last riddle of this video. We will again meet with some other new riddles in the next video. But before this, know the answer of this riddle on your screen. The correct answer of this riddle is needle. Needle has one eye, but needle cannot see. So this is the correct answer of the last riddle. Okay, thanks a lot everyone for watching this video. We will meet again in the next video with some new riddles. So for that time, I want to wish you all have a great day and goodbye.